Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the most foundational chapter in mathematics, sets. Whether you are preparing for class 11 or just too curious about the sets better, this video will give you all the information you need. So first, let's define what a set is. Set is a well-defined collection of objects. The objects in the set are called members or elements of the set. For example, let us say we have a set of natural number less than 5. This can be written as A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 are called the elements or members of a set. Here the number 1, 2, 3 and 4 are called as elements or numbers of the set. We can write sets roster form like this, where the elements are listed in curly brackets. Okay. So another way to represent a set is called the set builder form. Here, instead of listing all the elements, we describe the properties that members of the set must satisfy. For example, B is a set of natural numbers less than 10. So here we can write B as X such that X is a natural number and X less than 10. Let B is equal to X such that X is a natural number less than 10. So, what is the value of B? What is this? What is the set B say? Set B is said to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is called roster form and this is called set builder form. Is it clear? I hope so. Alright, now that you understand how to define a set, let's explore the types of sets. First, we have the null set or empty set. Null set or empty set. What is the null set means? The null set means the sets which have no elements in them. The sets which have no elements in them are called null set or empty sets. We represent as this or this. Okay. Next, number 2, singleton set. Singleton set. So, what are singleton sets? The sets which contain exactly one element. The sets which contain exactly one element is called singleton set. Let us consider a set C has an element or 3 in them. Therefore, C is called a singleton set. Here is only one element in the set, that is 3. Next, finite and infinite sets. Finite sets and infinite sets. Infinite sets. So, what are finite sets? A set is called finite if it contains a definite number of elements. A set is called finite if it contains a definite number of elements. Let us consider the set A. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is called finite set because A has finite number of elements. Here the number of elements is 5. That's finite. And let us consider set B. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This type of sets are called infinite set because here the number of elements does not known to us. Okay. two sets are called equal sets if they contain exactly same element. For example, let us take a set F that is 1, 2, 3, and then take a set G that is 3, 2, 1. Then we have to say F is equal to G. They are equal because they have same number of elements. Now, let's talk about subsets. A set A is a subset of B if every set elements of A is also the element of B. We denote it as A is a subset of B. This is the sign of subset. A is a subset of B. If A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have to say that A is a subset of B because every element of A is also the element of us. Now, let's talk about the R sets. R sets is the sets of the all subsets of that set. Let H be a set 1 and 2. Then the power of the set is denoted as PH is equal to first null set, then 1, then 2, and then 1. This is called power of sets. There's a lots of theory. Now, let us move on the operations on sets. The main operations on sets are union, intersection, and differentiation, or this is called difference. Union is denoted as U, intersection denoted as this, difference is denoted as minus. The union of two sets A union B is the set that contains all the elements of both sets without repetition. The union of two sets A union B is the set that contains all the elements of both sets without repetition. So, for example, let A is a set 1, 2, 3 and take B a set 3, 4, 5. Then A union B is a set that contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here 3 does not repeat, only one time return. Okay. Now let's talk about intersection of sets. The intersection of sets A intersection B contains only the elements that are common to both sets. Only the elements that are common to both sets. So, for example, A is a set 1, 2, 3 and B is a set 3, 4, 5. So, what is the common element in these sets? Only 3. Therefore, the intersection of the sets is 3. Now, the difference of sets. The difference of two sets A minus B is the set of all elements that are in A but not in B. The difference of two sets A minus B is the set of all elements that are in A but not in B. For example, let us take A is a set 1, 2, 3 and B as a set 3, 4 and 5. Therefore, A minus B means only 1 and 2. Alright, now we have a solid understanding of sets, types of sets, and operations on sets. But we need to discuss Venn diagrams which visually represent the sets and the relationships. Now, let us draw set A. Let us consider this set as A and repeat a set of B. If the sets are joined together, that is A, B. This is A and this is B. So all the area covered by the entire circle is all the areas is called A. Give me a, that means union sets. And if A and B only the common part, that means only this part is called A intersection of, because this is the common part. And if it is A and if it is B, then only this part, if this is A set and this is B set, only this part which is not overlapped with B, only this part is said to be M. Okay. By now, you should have a solid grasp on this concept. Make sure to practice these concepts with different sets and operations to fully solidify your understanding. Thank you for watching my video. That's for today's class on sets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. More. That's all for today's class on sets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more videos. Drop your questions in the comment below and I'll be happy to answer them. Good luck. I'll see you in the next video.